today we are going from Larbert to Stirling, Alloa, not Stirling, on a class 3 and 5. Not much else to say, let's get into it. So we just left Larbert. So yeah. So here's my tickets, if I get them out. Here we are, there's the tickets. Let's go for a wee tour, shall we? Nice countryside. I went to Stirling. No, don't blame the other night there. Oh, we've got full carriage to ourselves. There's not enough headroom in this train. Let's take a tour of the toilet, shall we? Lovely. We've got full carriage to ourselves. This is very rare, isn't it? Full on carriage. We're going to move down to the front so we can hear the AWS instead of being at the bike bit. Get it back. Tickets. Let's go walk down so we can hear they can have. Let me make sure I've not left anything. No, so we can hear like the AWS, DSD, the vigilance on all that shenanigans. Yeah, here we are. So, take a wee seat. Well, let's watch the views going by, I guess. There's nothing else to say. I just went from Falkirk to Larbert there, and I seen Melissa at the train station. No, it was a HST in the past and I missed it. Melissa's working today, so yes. Lovely views, look at that. Oh, camera focus. And we might be approaching into a red signal. Yeah, we've just went through a single yellow. However, the announcements aren't working today. So, oh yeah, you hear the AWS there. Yeah, the announcements aren't working. So you keep our eye out for like Stirling. I know we're coming into Stirling. Well, how I know is because on the left there will be a park, and that's when I know a big park. Oh yeah, soon around in Stirling. It's only been 5 minutes. Wow, 4 minutes on the train, and that's us already in Stirling basically. Okay, she heard that. Well, hopefully you guys heard that. Stirling, so the guard, it's like women, but I hope it is because the voices. Yeah, so the AWS. Proceed signal indicates it sounds, so that's good. We've not got any double yellows, but I think we might be sitting at Stirling. We'll pop our head out the door, just seeing there's a yellow, green there. We'll pop our head out the door. If no one is coming on this side, just I don't want to be losing my seat. It's KFC. Yeah, I don't want to be losing my seat. Costa, my favourite. Oh, what are we doing here? Doing a bit of a ziggy zag with the junctions. Oh, there's a 385 on the right there. And here we are, arriving into Stirling. And the doors is on the left. Here we are, Stirling. Next stop, final stop, Alloa. So actually, a lorry hit a bridge today. So that isn't good between Falkirk and Pullman. So, yeah. There's nothing else to say. Oh, right on the stop marker. Lovely. Yeah, no one's coming on this carriage wheel. Oh, wow. It's a lot busy down there, though. Pop our head out. Lovely. Okay, we're not right on the stop marker, though. Oh, switching drivers. Sounds, but it's okay. Lovely. Keep the heating. Just switch drivers there. Should be hear the AWS going off. Well, we should. There goes the other doors. We'll hear the guard buzzing the driver. Yep. Okay, we're off at a slow start. There's a wee buzz. Throttle 2. Throttle 3. We're going off very slow. I thought 4 sounded. No. Oh yeah, so there's Stirling North. I think it was for the junctions. I'm not sure if they use it. Yeah, they do use it still. And Tesco over to the left there. Not much saying. I'll start putting my tickets away. Legroom, amazing. That, lovely, jubbly. There's Tesco. You guys watch out the window while I put my bloody tickets and that seats away. Will the camera stand? Is that a good question? Will it actually stay still? Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Yes. Well, it's now anyway. Okay, they were crossing Stirling Bridge there. Kind of reminds me of Ayr a wee bit. With the bridges. Mind you, that looks like Bridge of Allen, but it's definitely not. Yep. Get you nice and centre. And now, you can see, not using my hands, is standing by itself. Hopefully it doesn't tip over though. Shouldn't. Got a bit of speeding going on there. Oh, bit of wheel slide. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice houses. We're going quite fast, aren't we, over this bit? I'd love to live like one of these houses. Just watching the trains going past constantly. Be cool. Still got an empty carriage. Oh, it's the AWS. Oh, look at that, big tower up there. What's that, the monument? Every time I try and get a photo, it's... the overhead wires come in. Nice. Oh, crossing. We're getting a lot of wheel slide. This train doesn't sound the best, does it? Mind you, at Alloa, it's like a wee single line, isn't it? It like goes, well, it goes on to a single line. Oh. Mind you, both sides are wow. Beautiful. I'm not being sarcastic for a change. I'm actually being truthful. Wow, that's amazing. There's some sheep down there. There's a bridge. There's not much else exciting now, actually. See, on the bus, it takes about 2 hours, but then on the train it's like 13 minutes. Then again, buses have traffic and lights and all that. We just go. It's still a double line just now. At least I think, isn't it? Is it? Not quite sure. No, it's a single line now. Okay. So we can't be getting any. What's the name? Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, any yellow signals because it's a single line now. However, I do see at Alloa it's only a single platform. It's platform 2 or 1, I can't remember. I think it's 1, might be 2. But there's another track and it's like it goes into the distance. It's quite cool, level crossing, and I think that might be for free. I'm not quite sure. To be honest with you, the views are still amazing, but I think it's for that. But comment below if you know, because I do definitely do not know. Yeah, we're arriving into Alloa soon. It can't be much longer. When we slam on the brakes, that's when we know. Oh, I'm shattered, and I don't know why. I've still got family time with my mum this afternoon. Yeah, what's that? Warehouses? Lovely. There's a lot of warehouses actually. Not much on the right, mind you, it's just houses. But it's something, isn't it? It's better than the left, because when you went to the left, absolutely nothing. There's maybe like one. Oh, back on a double line. We're on the right line though. So see this left line here? This does eventually lead up past Alloa station, but I don't know why. But why are we on the right side? Shouldn't we be on the left? Oh, no. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, we're definitely approaching into Alloa. I'll get off. I'm going back to Larbert, but it'll be the same train, so I'll just don't know. Actually, no, I will be getting off. So usually this channel is only for trains, but what we're gonna do after we arrive off at Alloa, we're actually going to be going into Asda. So it's gonna be like a train journey. But more than a train journey, because we're actually getting off. Because usually what I do when I get off, say bye and all that shenanigans and end the video. But we're going to continue the video and go in and get some. Are we drinking a bit of chocolate or both? Yeah, just a bit of chocolate. No, I drink because you need to get a drink more than food. Oh, mind you, the announcements aren't working, so that's lovely. Make sure I've not left anything. I crap myself. I did. Oh, that I care. I've got you guys with me, so. Brought them. £2 and 40p. That'll get us something, won't it, guys? Okay. Very slow coming into Alloa. Mind you. We're still on the single line. Yeah, see, we went back onto the single line. And here we are. Well, I say that. Oh, back onto double. Lovely. So that's the freight line. Because it's not electrified after so far. It goes unelectrified. And Alloa! Oh no, it's not. Oh yes, it is. Alloa. So, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment so you never miss another video. Saying that, I'm saying it like I'm used to saying that because usually when I get off the train I finish it. But I'm not doing that. We're going into Asda. That's Asda right there. Mind you, I don't know how I get into it, so. But yes. Alloa. It's going to be like a half an hour long video, this rate. And then I'm going to come back out of Asda. Finish the video back here. Get the next train. Because that's all we can. Jesus. Alloa. Right. There you go, you can see. I'm just trying to get a photo, sorry guys. So yes. We got a buffer. And then that's the line that I'm on about. Look. There's a line, but it goes all the way over there, but I don't know where to. Anyway. Why does it still say Alloa in front of it? So this is going back to Queen Street, but we're getting the next one after it. So, next stop is actually... can't remember. I'm seeing the next stop. What am I on about? Next stop's Asda. So yeah, let's go to Asda. So that is where this train's going to be sitting for a wee bit. Oh, they're uncoupling. Are they? Yeah, they're uncoupling. Whoa. Oh, I've never seen this in action. Or is it just making a big hiss sound? It is uncoupling, just taking a while. Very annoying, isn't it? I'll keep the video rolling. It is definitely uncoupling. Oh! Oh, that was so good to see that.
The next train at platform 1 is the 15. Calling out Sterling. This train is for now being apologies.
So, I just got in the cab there, but I wasn't allowed to take a photo, obviously. That was so cool. Does that say chilling? You're having a laugh. That says chilling, look. Look at that. Why does it attach you? You're not funny. You're really not. And there's 35028 going. We will get to Asda eventually. See you later. It's a nice conductor. 35028, it's just left 35014 on its own. Yeah, my train spotter.
You know where you want to go and get trains?
I miss that driver. See you later.